you can grow ginger in the shade, okay? Here's a piece of ginger. Look how beautiful this is. I can literally open this up, bury it right there, and a whole new plant will grow. If you have a shady area, you might want to consider growing some ginger. Hey, I'm Angelique, and you are now tuned in to Smarter by Nature TV. We have some beautiful ginger that is doing amazing, and I just want to share that with y'all. So I'm going to take y'all out here and show you how they are. So this is really our ginger patch, and we are really pleased with the results. We got our ginger probably from a local place, a local market, and we planted them at the beginning of this year, and they did well. Now they have found their sweet spot. They just love it, and it's a shady backyard, so I'm really surprised and I'm really excited. So basically what we have here are rows of ginger. We have about 3 or 4 rows of ginger. Some patches are more denser than others, but overall it's beautiful. I'm so proud of them, and let's take a look. So as you can see, we are under pine trees. We have about 11 pine trees in our backyard, and it's pretty shady. There is some sun that directly hits some spots here, but for the most part it's pretty shady, and that's what the ginger likes anyway, so we're so proud of them. We have ginger also planted with turmeric here and longevity spinach. So all of these 3 things love the shade, can just thrive in the shade, so they are doing really well together. We have our bottleneck gourd growing next to our spinach, growing next to our peanuts, growing next to our ginger, growing next to our turmeric. We have our moringa tree, our ginger looking so wonderful. So this is a flower that's gonna form, and the ginger is in here. I'm not gonna dig it all the way up, but I just want to show you that it is growing, it's producing roots, and this is how it grows. Just wonderfully in the soil, and I'm gonna cover that back up. The point of this video is to let you know that you can grow ginger in the shade, okay? Ginger loves it. It is doing so well. We are on like a slope a little bit, so the water from the up the hill flows through this area, but other than that, other than it getting the water that it needs, it's doing marvelous in the shady area. It's not all shady. It will get about more than 6 hours of direct sunlight. Other than that, there's like speckled sunlight, but this area does really well. So if you have a shady area, you might want to consider growing some ginger. It's really low maintenance. All we did was marked out a space, pulled up whatever was in that space, dug up the hole to make it kind of soft, buried it maybe with like an inch of soil, and covered it, watered it. We did water it in the beginning, but after a while we just kind of let it do its thing, and it turned out great. So if you have a shady space, I encourage you to grow ginger. It is super easy to grow. You can even grow it in containers. So it doesn't need a lot of maintenance, attention, but it will produce for you. And this is little baby Krishna, who wants to be on the camera. Oh, come on. Come on. You're making a scene. You're making a scene now. Tell everybody hello. Say hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho. You're such a cutie kitty. Look at that. I feel like she know. You know who that is? Little kitty. Oh, you're such a cutie. Oh, okay. Are you out of here? No? Okay. Anywho. So that's Christina the cat. She just wanted me to give her some attention, but who doesn't want attention? Back to these ginger plants. They are marvelous. I am so glad. Okay. I'm so glad that they are doing so well, and all we did was literally throw them in the ground. So that's all for this video. If you have a shady space, I encourage you to grow some ginger. You can go to your local farmer's market and get you some ginger. There's online places, so get you some ginger, find it a nice home, and you will be amazed by its growth. So thank you for watching. Consider supporting us on Patreon. And as always, thank you for being smarter by nature. You have something else to say? Krishna? What else do you have to say? What else do you have to say? You're on camera. What else do you have to say? Tell them. All right. That's your chance. Maybe next time.